In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and format a waterfall chart in Power BI. Waterfall charts, also known as bridge charts, are a powerful tool that can help you visualize how a starting value is incrementally increased or decreased by a series of positive and negative values, ultimately guiding you to a final value. They are particularly useful for illustrating profit and loss steps, such as showing revenue, costs, and net profit. These charts are also great for conducting monthly variance analysis, allowing you to see how specific categories or factors contribute to overall changes, like identifying the drivers of revenue fluctuations. Now, let's dive into creating your waterfall chart in Power BI. Start by preparing your data and measures. It's crucial to have a numerical measure ready in your data model, which could be something like profit, sales variance, or costs. Additionally, you'll need a categorical field that represents the steps or stages you're analyzing. This could be items like the month, category, or department. And if you're planning to add more detail, an optional breakdown field can further enhance the chart by showing subcomponents inside each waterfall bar. Once your data is ready, the next step is importing or loading it into Power BI. You can do this by navigating to the Get Data option to load your dataset. During this process, make sure to transform your data if necessary using Power Query to ensure that your numerical and categorical values are clean and formatted correctly for Power BI to process them efficiently. With your data now in Power BI, it's time to insert the waterfall visual. In the report view, you'll see a pane on the right-hand side called Visualizations. Look for the waterfall chart icon there and give it a click. Once your chart placeholder appears on your report canvas, you'll start building your chart by dragging and dropping your categorical field into the category slot. This will define the different stages or steps that will appear on your chart. Next, take your numeric measure and place it into the Y-axis or values section. Power BI will automatically render the chart, displaying positive and negative bars accordingly, so you can easily see where increases and decreases occur. Now, if you're interested in a more detailed analysis, you can opt to add breakdowns. You do this by placing a field in the breakdown section of the chart. This step will allow you to display subcategories or components, such as product lines or regions, within each category bar, providing a more granular perspective of your data's narrative. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and formatting a waterfall chart in Power BI. This visual is not just about numbers, it's a story that helps you and your audience understand the dynamics of data-driven changes. Be sure to explore and customize these charts to best fit your analytical needs. Happy charting!